This one's going out to some of the people that I know that have started their online business, and something to really remember when you're in an online business, and that is it's going to take some time, and there's going to be people that just they don't invest in you. Well, that's okay, because you just keep on going and you continue to invest in yourself. That way it helps you keep going. And the other thing is you start to think maybe they don't believe in you. Get that out of your head. It's not anything to do with that. But at the same time, you need to believe in you. Those two things will help you through a whole lot of issues that automatically pop up in your head. Don't let them. So, hope that helps. If you want to see some of the things I'm doing, if you want a free book, check out my bio. Get yourself a free book about getting rich. Later, guys. Bye.